In this video, I'll show you how to update your billing details and download your invoices in tawk.to. Inside the billing section of your dashboard, you can manage everything related to your subscription. This includes changing your payment method, changing your payment plan, adding or updating your billing address, and downloading invoices. Keep in mind that only the account owner can make these billing changes. To get started, log into your tawk.to account and make sure you've selected the correct property. Once you're in, click the gear icon at the top of the dashboard to open the administration panel. On the left-hand menu, under Billing, select Purchases and Invoices. Here you'll see all of your billing details in one place. It will also show whether other add-ons are activated. If you'd like to change your plans, simply click Modify and select your new option. To update your payment method, click Modify again and enter your new details. You can choose either credit card or PayPal. And once saved, the new method will apply from your next billing cycle. If you want to enable automatic top-ups, click Modify next to Top-up. Please note that the Auto Top-up feature only works when the AI Assist add-on is activated. From here, you can switch the toggle on, choose your threshold, set the top-up amount, and then click Save. This helps prevent your account from ever running out of credits. To add or edit a billing address, look for the Billing Address section. Click Add if you're adding a new address or Modify to update an existing one. Enter your details. Click Save, and your updated billing information will appear on your next invoice. All of these updates are applied instantly, so your invoices always reflect the most current details. To view or download an invoice, click on the date of the one you want. It will open in a new browser tab, ready to save or print whenever you need it. These changes will also apply to your previous invoices, keeping your records accurate and up to date. Any edits will automatically be reflected on those invoices. Top-ups come with their own invoice, which you can download separately. And that's how you update your billing details and download your invoices in tawk.to. With these tools, you can keep your records accurate and make sure your financial documents are always up to date. For more tutorials, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.